Good morning. Well, today we're playing yellow Laverda. So we've got this leak in the seal on the water pump impeller. There's the impeller side there, that's the engine side there, and this hole here is where it was dripping out, which runs through this, I can't get up there, which runs through this channel here to tell you that this seal inside there is letting by. And that's a simple way to tell whether your water pump seals are letting by, is that little hole there will drip or pour if it's bad, and then that will cause you problems. Well, yeah, you might end up, you got a chance that you could end up getting water in your oil or anything like that. So it's always a good point to change it. So it may just be that it's dirty because there's been quite a lot of crap in this engine. This is a 40,000 kilometre engine. So I'll start by taking off some of the bits. I'll do my new thing that I'm doing. I'll take photographs as I'm going to let you see how I'm taking it all apart. And then we'll have a little chat at the end and we'll run through how it's gone. Okay, see ya. Well, there we have it. There's the offending oil seal, which is, or water seal, should I say, which is causing the problems. Now, if I can get in here, if you see where I've put this pointer, that is, if I can get the right angle on it, which I can't, I don't think, that is where the hole is. That's the drain hole there, which then comes out at the back and then comes out through this weeping hole to let you know that this oil seal isn't doing what it's supposed to do. So while I'm at it, I'm just going to send an email to my mate or WhatsApp at my mate at FC3 Moto to see if he's got one of these. I'm going to change this oil seal as well because it just makes sense. While I've got the casing off, let's change it all and then it's good, and then I'll clean everything up and we'll put it back together. There we go. Now to order some parts. Well, hello, almost the weekend. Today I am determined to get this finished and out the door by the end of the weekend. Got my new water pump seal, my new oil seal, thanks to 3C Motors, who sent that through to me nice and quickly. I've got my Odyssey battery, so hopefully by the end of today I'll have the back wheel back in, everything back on together, this put back together, and everything will be tickety bloody boo. And then I can get this out and get the motor in. Well, here it all is, back together. Water pump's dry, there's no water coming out of the overflow. I put a new oil seal in here as well while I had it off. All back together, I ran it up, there's no leaks. So, time to put this baby back together. So, here we are, the Laverda. The second one I've done this year. This is the obviously the yellow one. Now I've just finished, flip up the side stand. Now I've just finished farting about. New exhausts are on, looking pretty good. The new oil seals are in, all the lubes are in, full of all the fluids. So we're going to give it a go, start it up, see how easy it starts to start with, and see if it runs. Now it will rev because this is this is pulling the throttle back a little bit, so it'll be a little bit rich. But let's see how it goes, shall we?